I bought this lock a long time ago because I felt it really looked like a commanding lock, like it was super secure. And recently I've taken up lock picking. I don't know why. Something that always interested me, and I just wanted to show you in real time how easy it is for somebody to pick a lock if they just know what they're doing. Now, mind you, I've got no formal training whatsoever. I bought a $20 lock pick set off of eBay, and I watched a couple of YouTube videos. So that lock looks pretty secure. So no breaks, real time, no formal training. Just goes to show you, just because a lock looks super secure doesn't mean it actually is. And just to show you, the lock is perfectly functional, exactly the way it was designed. One more time.